halfway through March, which means it's time to get the old bike out of the old woodshed. But before we get her on the road, we gotta get her road ready. So today, we're gonna give her an oil change. You're gonna need a 17mm wrench, some oil, and a filter. And of course, a bucket. So let's get started. Make sure the key's not in ignition, put it on run, and press the electric start a couple times. Apparently this helps get the engine oil out a little bit more. Also be sure to have your dipstick crack just a little bit to help airflow so you don't get bubbles. Go with the level bite. Help get that little extra bit. Be sure to replace the oil plug. We're going to remove the dipstick and fill her back up. Alright, lastly, start her up. Now listen to her purr.